I am Jagdishwar. Today we have a Inventive Expo exhibition. So there are a lot of teams are there. So we are starting from here. The team Zenith, where they can expose about their project, what is actually, and they can more elaborate about their project.
Okay, thank you. So we have built a bot for the autistic children. If you all know what is autism, it's a developmental condition in which child, like he lacks to express his emotions. He cannot talk properly to anyone. He cannot concentrate or keep a proper eye contact with anyone. Right. So for to help him, we have designed this bot named Aura, Autism Understanding and Rehabilitation Assistant. We haven't integrated everything over here right now. We can show you from here. So what we will do, first of all, we'll through the camera feed, we will take the facial expression, eye gazing and hand tapping score, and through it we will assign a proper autism score. Let me show you over here. From here, as you can see, I am moving my eyes and the score is slowly increasing, right? Through hand movement also, the score will increase. And if I stop, the score will come to 0, as you can see. And through this, I'm ending the program, and this score will be reflected in the dashboard over here, right? So here will be my eye gazing score, hand flapping score, and a average score of the autism, right? So why this score is so much more? Because for a short period of time I have done the repetitive movement a lot of time, so the average is getting more, right? And through this autism percentage, a role will be assigned to the kid to, so that I cannot tell him the autism percentage directly because it will create a negative impact. So we have, for a fun and interactive interface, we have designed this. A character will be assigned to the child. Next, I want to show you the chatbot. The child can also interact with the bot. Hello. Because of the net speed, the it's a bit late.
I'm Aura, your friendly companion here to support you through fun and engaging activities. How are you feeling today?
Bored.
I'm sorry, but I don't know anything about gold. But if you don't mind, I am designed to help autistic children, and I'm here to help you with that.
As you can see, the child can interact with the bot. If any doubt, any question arises, he can slowly interact with the bot, so that his interactions, conversation, he can improve it. The bot can also tell him interesting stories, ask him to play games and all. We have also designed few games for the improvement of the child. Here, the first game is Happy Tones. Here is a piano game. We have designed this because the autism children have a very uh, less muscle eye coordination. They have, so to improve that, we have designed this piano game. When I click here, the audio. So here slowly when I play the piano, my muscle eye coordination will increase. A smoothing feel will be also generated, right? The next game is Maze Runner. Autism children are very smart. They have a very great problem solving skills. So for them, we have designed this maze solver. You can play this game and solve it. The next game is Copycat. Here you have to match the expressions. Expression will be shown over here and you have to match that. And let me show you. Start. And whenever I will smile, the expression will get matched. Right. The expression will get matched over here. It's taking the live feed, so when I'm not looking into the camera, it's showing the expression is not matched. The next game is Rainbow Rings. It's like Tower of Hanoi. They are great in problem solving and puzzle solving. They also like puzzles, numbers. So we have designed this game. uh, in this bot, we have a surveillance camera. When the parents are in office or outside and they want to know what their child is doing in home, through this help of surveillance camera, they can know. You can see that here the life. videos also there. So parents can know over the internet that what their kid is doing in the home. Right now, this is our project. Thank you. We are Team Zenith.